Good morning, guys, and welcome to Saturday. Actually, it's afternoon, so good afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock here, and sorry for my appearance because I have been cleaning all day, and I'm still not done. I'm upstairs doing laundry and getting the house picked up here, while the kids are downstairs eating lunch and probably destroying the downstairs as usual. But anyway, so today my family's coming over. Unfortunately, Brandon is at the firehouse working, so that really sucks, but life of the firefighter. So anyways, so they're gonna come over, we're gonna cook out, and we're gonna go watch the fireworks that are happening in our town, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Say hello. Hey, here's one of the little minions eating her lunch. Here's this one, getting his computer time in. Move the computer down here to start his homeschooling soon. You ready for your first grade year of school?
Yes.
Yes, as you shake your head no. Playing a some car crash game that he loves to play. Alright, time to get to cleaning. You ready? Come on.
I'm not a cleaning person.
Oh, you are a cleaning person. Yeah, you are. Alright, time to get this baby out and get to cleaning before the family comes over. Are you ready? Actually, you have to go take a nap while I clean because you're just going to make it worse. Here's the before. And the after. Do you want Emma to come over and play with you? Yeah. She's coming over in a little while. Yeah. Hey guys, it's much later now. It's about 5 o'clock. The house is as clean as it's gonna get. I just got ready. I have to get Scarlett ready. I'm pretty sure Liam's ready, and my mom just walked in. So, catch you guys in just a bit. Did that scare you? What were you gonna do? Tristan, it's okay.
Hello.
It's okay, Tristan. It's just Scarlett. Hey, pretty Anna. Tristan, stay. Tristan. Wait, Scarlett. Hey, Emma.
Hey, Scar, what are you doing in here?
I forgot the hand.
Hey! Hey, Bubba!
Oh, I guess I should turn it off.
Hi. A cookie, yeah, but it's Emma's. Give it back to her.
Wait.
Propane tank.
What if I do this? Hey, Emma,
Works. Good job, Bubba.
That was the cutest thing.
Slide. You gonna slide down?
Yeah! Come on, Sky, go down.
She's doing it. Yay! No, Emma. Stairs. You gotta go up the stairs.
It was like, oh, or no.
Wait. Shake hands in my next. No push her, okay?
Oh, that's good, Liam.
I'm gonna separate you. Now push her, so I'm gonna separate you from Emma.
Ready? Go!
I'm
Yay!
separating the baby so they won't hit each other.
Okay, Scarlett,
Good
your
idea.
turn.
No,
No. Don't.
Just here, let him slide. Good job, Dylan. Good job. Yay! Look, Mom, look. Scarlett wanted right back up. Scarlett, who is this? Is this Ariel?
What's my name?
Who's that? You're not gonna say it?
That literally was nagging at her age.
Bubbles!
They were waiting for it to blow up. Hi,
Sarah, going to the fireworks. You ready to go to the fireworks? It's video.
Oh.
You ready to go? You want to go see the fireworks?
Okay. You see fireworks? Outside?
All of our neighborhood's going up to see the fireworks, and look at the sky. Looks like the bottom's about to fall out. This is gonna be interesting. Y'all, it looks like it's about to start pouring on us.
This is fun.
Is it? Just kidding. Update. Under the pool cover. In the pool house. Started to rain.
Liam, get out the storm, baby. It's lightning. It's dangerous.
Lightning and everything.
9:30.
Yeah. So we're waiting it out to see if it'll pass before we go home. Hopefully they'll still do the fireworks.
Hey, Daddy.
Supposed to set them off over those trees. It's getting clear over there, so maybe they'll still do them. Hello. It gets too dark, can't see them. Stay right here, Liam. Go play, baby.
There you go.
I got you. Look, I got you. Pretty. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Oh, look at that. So pretty.
You okay?
You're so pretty.
Bananas in there. Look at that.
Look at Emma. She loves it now. These are loud. Look at that one. It's the finale.